In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move tasks between lists in Google Tasks. If you've ever organized your life in Google Tasks and later realized a task belongs in a different list, this walkthrough is for you. We'll do this on a computer using Google Calendar because the Tasks panel there makes dragging and dropping quick and reliable. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Look over to the right side of the screen for the Tasks icon. It looks like a small blue circle with a check mark. Click it to open your Tasks panel. To make moving items easier, expand this panel to full screen by clicking the small upward-pointing arrow in the top right of the Tasks panel. This gives you more space and a clearer view of all your lists and tasks. Now choose the list that currently contains the task you want to move. Find the task in that list. Click and hold the task with your mouse. Don't release yet. While holding, drag the task over to the destination list. As you hover over the new list, you should see a visual cue that confirms you're in the right place. When you're positioned over the correct list, let go of the mouse to drop the task there. That's it. The task is now part of the new list. A few important things to know as you do this. First, you can't move repeating tasks to another list. If a task is set to repeat, it won't drag over, so you'll need to keep it in its current list, or recreate it in the destination list. Second, when you move a task, it's removed from the original list. This is a true move, not a copy, so if you were hoping to duplicate it, you'll need to manually create a separate task in the other list. Third, there's no bulk move option. You'll move tasks one by one. If you have a lot to shift, take a moment to expand the Tasks panel and line up your source and destination lists so you can drag them over efficiently in sequence. After you drop a task into its new list, give it a quick glance to confirm everything looks right. Title, details, due date, and any subtasks. If something didn't land where you expected, simply drag it again. With the panel expanded, moving tasks is smooth and accurate. And once you get the feel for it, you'll be able to tidy up your lists in just a few minutes.